What is up, XRP community? Good morning. Hope you're having a good start to your week. I want to talk about the general crypto market and then a few interesting videos on XRP and then a very interesting AI conversation. You guys know artificial intelligence. Well, basically, this guy asked his artificial intelligence program called OpenAI all about the XRP ledger. We're going to cover all that. Okay, if you guys want to support, hit the like button. It does a lot for the video. Thank you in advance. Imminent crash for stocks. Okay, 5 things to know about Bitcoin this week. I know it's an XRP channel, but if Bitcoin dumps to 12K to 10K, you're going to see XRP dump. And so it's important that we know what's going on in the general crypto market, the general financial market, so we can be best equipped in the crypto market. After a weekly close just above 17K, Bitcoin seems determined to make the most relief stocks and a weakening US dollar as the United States gears up to release November inflation data, which I'm sure is going to be crazy. Keep in mind, guys, they are lying about the inflation. The consumer price index, which is a basket of goods, you have consumer products, oil, real estate, and all these different categories have certain weights. And fun fact, I don't know if you knew this, they changed the weight certain assets in that basket of goods as inflation was taking off, notably one of them being oil. You know, oil prices in the past 2 years have gone through the roof, and the inflation data is literally being lied to. They also told you what a recession means has been redefined, right? So they redefined the CPI, which determines inflation, and they also redefined what a recession is. So these numbers are way higher than they're actually telling you. The USD looks to be a key item to watch as Bitcoin price action teases a recovery from the pits of the FTX meltdown. I've been saying this, I'll say it again. I don't think FTX is the last meltdown we're going to see. I think we're going to see a bigger black swan event that's really going to drive prices down over the next 6 to 12 months. All may not be as straightforward as it seems. Miners are facing serious hardship, and data shows opinions on stocks' own ability to continue higher are far from unanimous. As the end of the year approaches, will Bitcoin see a Santa rally, Santa come into town, or face a new year nursing fresh losses? Light relief for Bitcoin bulls this week comes in the form of a solid weekly close by an uptick to multi-week highs. So Bitcoin had a good weekly close. For traders, there is reason to believe that short-term strength may hold, allowing Bitcoin to head closer to 20,000. Quote from a trader, "No change to my expectations. Still looking for 19K plus," said Credible Crypto. BTC has formed a nice tight consolidation here after a clean impulse on the low time frame. May dip into 16K first to take out these lows, but still expecting continuation up regardless. Fellow trader Dave the Wave, meanwhile, put faith in a Christmas rally coming next, while others, including popular commentator Mustache, said that the time was historically right for a recovery. Typically, guys, crypto has gone up for 3 years and down for 1 year. If you look at Bitcoin's whole lifetime chart, it usually bottoms out. 26 months it bottomed, 29 months it bottomed, 31 months it bottomed. Now, you guys can tell me if I'm wrong. This is just my opinion. I'm just a guy on YouTube. But I think this time might be different. What happened in 2008, the global financial crisis? Did we fix the global financial crisis? No. We just kicked the can down the road for the past 14 years. And now we're going to see the consequences of money printing and not fixing the problem that occurred in 2008. So, since cryptocurrency has never experienced a global recession, right? Because how ironic, and this is a whole nother rabbit hole, how ironic that Bitcoin was created right after the last financial crisis that we didn't fix, we just kicked down the road, right? Kind of interesting, the timing of all that. I think this one could be a little bit prolonged of a bear market, but we have the infamous Bitcoin halving, right? Which is a supply shock on the market. If you guys know what a supply shock is, it's when you have supply and demand, and you have an event that essentially negatively or positively influences supply. In the case of Bitcoin, it would be a positive supply shock because the amount of Bitcoin produced is cut in half. And I only see the demand for something like Bitcoin going up because historically it's been the best asset class in the world. Okay? Look what this machine learning algorithm has to say about XRP's price in December 31st. As the final month of 22 gets underway, XRP is still among the top 10 largest digital assets in the crypto market by market capitalization. Currently, XRP is predicted to increase its value by the end of year. As per Price Predictions, machine-based algorithms taking into account technical indicators like the RSI, the MACD, moving average, blah, blah, blah. According to this data, market's seventh biggest DeFi asset is set to trade at a price of 42 cents on December 31st, right? Nothing crazy. Now, something that could totally change this is if there was a lawsuit ruling, right? FOMO, fear of missing out. When XRP gets regulatory clarity, you're going to see the price go through the roof. And that's just going to cause other people in crypto to jump on the XRP train. You're already starting to see that with a lot of influencers starting to warm up to XRP. And I think the FOMO will be insane once the regulatory clarity comes through. Keep in mind, we also have Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO, talking about Bank of America is on the sidelines ready to use XRP. And that begs the question, what other banks are on the sideline waiting to use XRP? If you guys want $40 guaranteed, sign up with Weeble, deposit a penny, and you can get up to $15,000 in free stock shares. Typically, you just get $40 to $300, but you can get up to $15,000 just for depositing 1 penny. Sell the stocks, withdraw them, keep them, do whatever you want. Don't miss out on this. It does end soon. The link to Weeble is in the video description below. And we have this here. Pakistan now launching new laws to expedite a CBDC. How many countries have we seen in the past month amidst this whole FTX blowout launching CBDCs or launching pilot programs to experiment with CBD, right? And Ripple is totally, perfectly pivoted to be in the intersection of this new world of CBDCs. Regulators worldwide see CBDCs as a way to enhance fiat capabilities by inheriting the financial prowess of technologies that power cryptocurrencies. I think regulators also see CBDCs worldwide as a way to take away your freedom, right? Not to put a damper on things, but imagine if there was a CBDC and the government could decide what you could use that CBDC on. We accept the CBDC here, we don't accept it here. Oh, your credit score is too low, you can't use your CBDC. Very dystopian, but world ain't all sunshine and rainbows. The State Bank of Pakistan signed in new laws for electronic money institutions, non-bank entities, offering digital instruments to ensure the timely issuance of a CBDC in the next 3 years. The World Bank helped Pakistan design new regulations, according to local media Arab News. All right, if you guys are still watching, comment chewing gum below. That means you made it to the end of the video. That really supports the channel when you watch the full video. So if you're still listening to me, let me know by commenting chewing gum below. I really do appreciate it. Got some more videos coming for you later. See ya.